Okay, we're going to take a look at a couple of Zippos today. A fast look. Now this one came in the regular Zippo black box, and it's labeled as regular red matte. So this one's pretty plain. No stickers, no engraving, not much on this one. And this one was made in, looks like B, February of 14 in Bradford, PA. Of course, it was made in the USA. Great sound. Steel insert. Nice Zippo. And the second one, which is a little bit better, or a little bit more special, this is W.R. Case and Sons flag. So this is on a shiny blue finish, and that is a sticker with the Case insignia or logo on it, and it is a registered trademark with the American flag, or the United States flag, flying in the background. This one was made in I of 15, I think that's August or September. Bradford, PA, made in the USA. Now this one's got a really good sound. Steel insert, fires up nice. Let's do a drop test on this. From about 2 feet. Looks like it turned out okay. Nothing broke. Still sounds good. Still fires up. Let's do a fired up drop test from about 2 feet again. And it just went out. Let's try it again when the fluid seeps up. Okay, second drop test from about 2 feet. That one was successful on this Case Zippo, and since both of them are made in the USA, they deserve a little bit of cowbell. Knuckle bump.